The MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is MOVA's flagship robot vacuum and mop, pushing the limits of what a smart cleaning device can do. With its revolutionary roller mop design, AI-powered navigation, and all-in-one self-maintenance station, it's engineered for homes that demand powerful, hands-off cleaning. Equipped with industry-first technologies like real-time water cleaning, AutoShield carpet protection, and StepMaster 2.0 adaptive climbing, the Z60 is built to handle the toughest messes while keeping user effort to a minimum. Big thanks to MOVA for sponsoring this video. You'll find a link to the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. The Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is designed for busy, high-demand households, especially families with kids and pets, who want spotless floors without constant oversight. It's ideal for mixed-surface homes, where the robot transitions between hardwood, tile, and carpet. Its intelligent mop protection, anti-tangle brushes, and DuoSolution system make it perfect for pet owners tired of dealing with hair, odor, and messy cleanups. The Z60 introduces HydroForce mopping, a first-of-its-kind real-time water cleaning system. A 12-hole spray array continuously rinses the roller mop with fresh water, mimicking a shower while scrubbing at 1000 RPM with 4100 pascals, that's 3.7 pounds, of ground pressure. Dirty water is instantly extracted into a separate tank, ensuring only clean water is used for your floors, every cycle. This means stains, grease, and grime don't just get pushed around, they're completely lifted away. With AutoShield technology, the Z60 detects carpets and automatically lifts the roller mop 14 millimeters off the ground, keeping carpets dry and spotless. A baffle plate extends to block water penetration, ensuring no moisture transfers between transitions. For added security, AutoShield can be enabled in the MOVA Home app to guarantee optimal protection for rugs and carpets in mixed-floor homes. Thanks to its extra-wide 10.08-inch roller and 1.7-inch outward swinging mop, the Z60 delivers true edge-to-edge coverage, reaching corners, baseboards, and other tricky areas that most robots miss. Its mechanical arm extends the mop outwards, scrubbing right to the wall, while the bionic side brush sweeps debris into the suction path. The result, according to MOVA, 99.99% edge coverage for a complete floor clean. Pet hair is no match for MOVA's TroboWave DuoBrush system. Using a smart airflow channel, the brush efficiently flings and lifts hair up to 30 centimeters long without tangling. The dual system combines a bristled rubber brush for fine debris and a TPU rubber brush for larger particles, delivering strong pickup across all surfaces while staying quiet. For households with shedding pets, this feature alone is a game changer. Mobility is another area where the Z60 excels. With StepMaster 2.0, the robot can scale thresholds up to 8 centimeters, the highest in its class. Its LiftPro chassis synchronizes both wheels to lift the body when encountering thick carpets, thresholds, or uneven floors. This means uninterrupted cleaning performance, even in homes with tall rugs, raised tiles, or steep transitions that stop other robots in their tracks. The Z60's cleaning muscle comes from its TurboForce 9 motor, delivering up to 28,000 pascals of suction, one of the strongest ratings on the market. With 4 adjustable suction levels, it adapts to different surfaces, from hardwood to deep carpets, while staying quiet and efficient. Large debris, dust and cracks, and embedded dirt are all lifted with ease. Hey MOVA.
I'm here.
Clean the dining hall.
Okay, start to clean the dining room. Make sure the door is open.
MOVA's DuoSolution system lets users load 2 different cleaning solutions at once. Container A holds general cleaning solution, while Container B can carry a specialized mix, like deodorizing or pet-focused. Controlled through the MOVA Home app, each room or zone can receive custom cleaning treatment. Both containers feature low liquid detection with timely alerts and hold a combined 600 milliliters, 400 milliliters for A and 200 milliliters for B, reducing refill frequency. At just 3.8 inches tall in low clearance mode, the Z60's FlexScope navigation uses a retractable LiDAR sensor to duck under furniture like couches, beds, and cabinets. Once back in open spaces, the sensor extends to full height, delivering more precise mapping and 360-degree navigation. Combined with AI object detection, this ensures both smarter cleaning paths and more consistent obstacle avoidance. The Z60's self-cleaning station automates every major maintenance task. After each run, the roller mop is rinsed with 176-degree Fahrenheit hot water, scrubbed with jet spray dry board technology, and dried with 140-degree Omni-Dry airflow to eliminate bacteria and odors. The base also automatically refills clean water and dispenses solutions, so the robot is always ready for its next job. Dust is collected in a disposable bag that typically only needs emptying once every 30 to 60 days. The MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete combines breakthrough engineering with real-world usability, raising the bar for robot vacuums and mops. From Hydroforce real-time water cleaning and Maxi Reach edge scrubbing to StepMaster 2.0 climbing and 28,000 pascals turbo force suction, every feature is designed to outperform competitors while minimizing user effort. If you want a truly hands-free whole home cleaning system, the Z60 Ultra Roller Complete delivers on every front.